Hi, my name is Christina Govinda, and today we're going to talk about how to make a fabric wreath for a fairy's hair. I love projects like this because what it looks like is completely up to your imagination and you really get to let your creativity flow. For this project, I'm going to use scissors, pipe cleaners, and some strips of fabric. We're also going to be using ribbon. We're going to start by connecting the first end of the pipe cleaners, just twisting them until they're secure and there aren't any sharp pieces of wire sticking out. And then you can either measure or guess where you want the headband to end. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side, twisting until it's secure. Now I'm going to take a long strip of fabric. This one is approximately 4 inches wide and about a yard long. I'm going to start towards the middle and start wrapping the fabric around my pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to go over to the other end and do the exact same thing. Once you've wrapped it to where your ends meet, I'm going to twist my fabric around so that the top side is visible. And then I'm going to take my additional strips of fabric and tie them on. This is going to tie your fabric in place as well. Next, using the ribbon, I'm going to tie it on as well so that it streams down the back. And lastly, I'm going to tie a bow. Now your fabric fairy wreath bow is finished. What a great way to adorn a costume or to give a gift to a small child. Thanks for watching.